Do you get a pinch when you do this? You lift your leg up, you turn it in. If you feel a pinch in the front of the hip, you might want to try this next drill. You're going to grab a band, sorry, stepping all around, grab a band. We're going to put it on the inside of the thigh, get in a lunge position. Get yourself away from it. It's gapping that hip. It's pulling that hip this way. It's giving the joint some space to move around. Now we can kind of sit into this. We can even use our hand and push our knee in a little bit, getting it into that same position that originally had a pinch. But let me guess, you don't have a pinch with this now, do you?
Nope.
No, it's gone, it's gone. So this is just helping us create a little bit of space, helping us achieve that internal rotation position, that in position, because we need to mobilize this area. And now after this, you can go stabilize it, do some of our glute exercises, get into your squats, whatever you want to do. But this is a great way to clear that hip so there's no more pinch.